Hi everyone, today, we're diving into a car that blends classic nostalgia with modern performance via the 2025 Ford Capri MK2 X-Pack. If you're a fan of vintage muscle with a contemporary twist, then this reborn legend is bound to capture your heart. Ford has taken the iconic Capri MK2 and reimagined it for the modern era, bringing back its aggressive styling, thrilling performance, and unmistakable charm. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Capri MK2 X-Pack is a striking homage to its 1970s predecessor but with a sharper, more refined look. Ford has retained the signature coupe silhouette, long hood, and sloping fastback rear, but now it's complemented by LED lighting, aggressive air intakes, and sculpted body lines. The wide body stance, inspired by the legendary X-Pack kit, gives it a muscular presence on the road. Flared wheel arches house lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, ensuring this car grips the road just as well as it turns heads. And with a selection of classic colors including signal orange, diamond white, and midnight black, this Capri lets you relive the golden era of muscle coupes in style. Under the hood, Ford has taken performance to the next level. The 2025 Capri MK2 X-Pack is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6, delivering an exhilarating 450 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or a 10-speed automatic for effortless cruising. This engine roars to life with a deep, throaty exhaust note. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.5 seconds, this Capri is no slouch, offering the kind of performance that rivals modern sports cars. Ford has also introduced an electrified mild hybrid system, enhancing efficiency while maintaining the raw driving experience. Handling has been fine-tuned to perfection. A sports-tuned suspension with adaptive dampers ensures precise cornering, while the rear-wheel drive setup keeps the driving dynamics engaging and fun. The limited slip differential provides extra grip, making every twist and turn an absolute thrill. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking tight back roads, the Capri delivers a driving experience that's as exhilarating as it is nostalgic. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect blend of retro aesthetics and modern technology. The dashboard features a driver-focused layout, with analog-inspired digital gauges that pay homage to the original Capri's instrument cluster. High-quality leather and Alcantara upholstery cover the sporty Recaro seats, providing comfort and support. The classic 3-spoke steering wheel has been modernized with multifunction controls, and a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits seamlessly in the center console, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced navigation system. Despite its vintage roots, the 2025 Capri MK2 X-Pack doesn't skimp on tech. Ford's latest driver assistance features come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced parking system. It's the perfect mix of old-school charm and modern convenience, making it a true driver's car that's also easy to live with daily. One of the most exciting aspects of this new Capri is its exclusivity. Ford is producing only a limited number of units, making it a collector's dream. Each car comes with a numbered plaque, signifying its place in Capri history. And for those who want an even more personalized experience, Ford offers a bespoke customization program, allowing buyers to tailor their Capri to their exact specifications. The return of the Capri is more than just a revival, it's a statement. Ford has managed to capture the soul of the original while adapting it for the modern era. Whether you're an old-school Capri enthusiast or someone discovering its magic for the first time, the 2025 MK2 X-Pack offers something truly special. It's a car that embodies the thrill of driving, the beauty of design, and the passion of automotive history, all in one striking package. So, what do you think of the 2025 Ford Capri MK2 X-Pack? Is this the perfect blend of classic and modern, or do you prefer the originals? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more luxury car content. Thanks for watching Car Experience, and we'll see you in the next video.